Hello everyone and welcome to English Speaking 360. Today we are helping you make complex sentences with paired conjunctions. Let's get started. So here are the paired conjunctions that we are going to use today, but maybe you wonder what they are. Paired conjunctions are words that work together to join sentences, phrases, or clauses. So they can help you make longer sentences and they help you avoid repetition. So that's why you should be able to use them. Let's get started with the first one, both and. So here's a sentence for you. She was nervous to start her new job. Okay, here's another sentence. She was excited to start her new job. So she had two different feelings about starting her new job. How can you put these two sentences together? How can you merge them into one sentence? Here's the answer. You can say, she was both nervous and excited to start her new job. Good answer. But maybe you wonder, hey, can I use only and? She was nervous and excited to start her new job. Yes, you can. It's a good sentence. But with both and, it's a much better sentence. It's a sentence that has more emphasis and it sounds a lot more educated. Now here's another example. He wasn't sure what to buy her, so he bought flowers. Same sentence again, but so he bought chocolate. So he bought two things. Can you merge them together? He wasn't sure what to buy her, so he bought both flowers and chocolate. So you can see here again, you are putting more emphasis. He bought both flowers and the chocolate. What a nice guy. That's the idea. Let's move on to the second one. Not only, but also. This is helpful to add emphasis. The movie is visually stunning. So very beautiful movie. And the movie is emotionally moving. Okay? Can you merge the two sentences? The movie is not only visually stunning, but also emotionally moving. Now, I know what you're thinking. You're thinking, can I just use and? The movie is visually stunning and emotionally moving. Yes, you can. But once again, not only, but also is stronger. It is a richer sentence. It's a sentence that will make you seem more intelligent. You want that, don't you? Now, here's another example. The company provides good salaries. The company provides amazing growth opportunities. Merge them together. The company provides not only good salaries, but also amazing growth opportunities. The next one is either or. You use this when you want to present two different options. You can come with us for the weekend. You can stay here. These are the two options. Can you merge them together? You can either come with us for the weekend or stay here. Good. I know what you're thinking. You're thinking, can I just use or? Yes, you can once again. You can come with us for the weekend or you can stay here. It's good. But if you add either, it sounds better. We need to increase revenue to stay in business. We need to decrease expenses to stay in business. Try to merge the two sentences. We need to either increase revenue or decrease expenses to stay in business. Neither nor. Now watch out with this one. It's a challenging one, and we use it to present two negative alternatives. They have to be negative. For example, she is not tall, not is negative. She is not short, negative also. She is average height. Can you merge them together? She is neither tall nor short. She is average height. Good. Let's go with another one. I cannot confirm the rumor. A rumor is like gossip, okay? I cannot deny the rumor. So I cannot say, yes, it's true. I cannot say, no, it's not true. I cannot. Together, I can neither confirm nor deny the rumor. You will hear that very often on the news, for example. Whether or, two choices, but also a certain feeling of uncertainty, okay? I haven't decided to go to the beach. I haven't decided to go to the mountains. Can you merge them? I haven't decided whether to go to the beach or to the mountains for my vacation. Maybe you wonder, can I just use if? Yes, you can. Whether and if are very, very similar. I haven't decided if I should go to the beach or to the mountains for my vacation is also a valid sentence. We go by car. We go by train. We will get there on time. Good? Here we go. Whether we go by car or by train, we will get there on time. Whether or not. Okay, now this is to show uncertainty. I'm not sure she will attend class, and I'm not sure she won't attend class. So this is the same situation. There are not two options. There's only one option, maybe yes, maybe not, okay? And together they become, I'm not sure whether she will attend class or not. But you could also have, I'm not sure whether or not she will attend class. Both of them are right. Maybe you wonder, can I just use if? Once again, I'm not sure if she will attend class is also a valid sentence. Here's another example. We win. We don't win. We will have fun playing. Of course, beer pong is always fun. Whether we win or not, we will have fun playing. You could also switch it around. We will have fun playing whether we win or not is also good. So that. This is to show a strong result. You've probably heard it before. It was very hot last night. Okay. I couldn't sleep last night. So you see the little lady here in the picture. She has opened the fridge door because her house is so hot. So the fridge can cool it down a little bit. Okay. So if you merge them together, we would have, it was so hot last night that I couldn't sleep. Good answer. Can I just use so? Yes, you can. It was very hot last night, so I couldn't sleep. That's okay. But with so and that, you put a lot more emphasis. It was so hot last night that I couldn't sleep. This is a great sentence. Here's another example. The food was very spicy. I had to drink lots of water. Good. The food was so spicy that I had to drink lots of water. No sooner than. Okay, now this one is the most challenging of them all. It means the second event happened immediately after the first event. I had sat down to eat, first event. The phone rang, second event. Okay? So if we put them together, no sooner had I sat down to eat than the phone rang. Now you notice here the sentence has changed, right? No sooner had I. Okay? You must write it like this. You cannot say, no sooner I had sat down to eat. It doesn't work. Some people will say, can I just use as soon as? Yes, you can. As soon as I sat down to eat, the phone rang is the same sentence, but no sooner than is a different structure. it sounds nice. Here's a second example. We had arrived at the beach. Second event, it started to rain. No sooner had we arrived at the beach than it started to rain. Good. Now these are the ones that we've studied today. Make sure you try to use them because they're very important to know, to improve your language and to make it sound richer. And if you like grammar, make sure you check out these videos because they are very good. See you next time. Bye bye.